In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an instant reply automation in Meta Business Suite. Whether you're managing customer interactions for a small business or a large organization, having an automated response is a fantastic way to ensure that every new message sender is acknowledged promptly. It not only facilitates effective communication, but also leaves a positive impression on your audience by letting them know you're attentive to their inquiries. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the Inbox section of the Meta Business Suite. Once you're there, turn your attention to the top of the inbox where you'll see various icons. Among them, you should spot one labeled Automations. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will take you to the area where you can manage and create different types of automated responses. Your next step is to select the Instant Reply option. This feature allows you to craft a greeting that will be sent immediately to anyone who messages you for the first time. It's an excellent way to welcome newcomers and set the tone for future interactions. In this step, think about the kind of message that best represents your brand and the experience you want to convey. In the section labeled Take This Action, you'll enter your desired automated message. Feel free to personalize this message so that it reflects your unique voice and style. You can make the interaction even more dynamic by adding a website link or including a button that encourages further engagement. For instance, if you want to guide them to view your products online or to book an appointment, you can integrate these elements seamlessly into the reply. You'll also notice a channel section in this setup. This is where you decide the platforms on which you'd like the automation to be active. Maybe you're aiming to provide this auto reply on Messenger, or perhaps Instagram is more suitable for your audience. Either way, select the channels that align with your strategy. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, don't forget to click Save Changes. This ensures that your auto reply is activated and ready to respond to your customers promptly and effectively. It's a simple click, but it's what makes your hard work accessible to everyone reaching out to you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up an instant reply in the Meta Business Suite. By following these instructions, you're equipping your business with a tool that enhances customer interaction efficiently, making sure that no message goes unanswered. With these automations, gaining and maintaining customer engagement becomes an even more achievable task. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating.